मुंडवडीच आहे. मी 12 वर्षापासून इथं राहतो. माझं घरदार काहीच नाही.
करून देते. अच्छा असेल ते नंतर.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
नमस्कार, मैं वत्सला सिंह VOA इंडिया से आज बारामती की 3 टाइम MP सुप्रिया सुले के साथ हूँ। सुप्रिया सुले महाविकास अघाड़ी की कैंडिडेट भी हैं और बहुत ही पावरफुल लीडर एंड एक्सेप्शनल स्पीकर। सो वेलकम सुप्रिया जी, थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम।
Thank you. I'm flattered with your opening line.
आता एकच ट्रिक सांगून माझं भाषण संपवते. माझा क्रमांक 3. इथे
विरोधकांना एकच भीती सुप्रियाताईला लीड किती विरोधकांना एकच भीती सुप्रियाताईला लीड किती
मला वाटतं सांगायची गरज नाही की ताली वाजवणारा माणूस आहे. फार सोपं आहे. 3 नंबर कसा घरी जाऊन सांगणार? सुप्रिया ती शरद ती ठाकरे ती राजेश ती भास्कर जाधव कोंकण पवार तुतारी ती गुलाल ती विजय
जैसे कहते हैं कि रिश्तों के भी रूप बदलते हैं, नए नए साँचों में ढलते हैं, तो अजीत पवार जी आज बीजेपी के साथ हैं
I
और
really watched Star TV as a young child.
some pop culture reference there. So Ajit Pawar ji has joined BJP and उनकी वाइफ हैं सुनेत्रा जी जो आपके साथ आपके अगेंस्ट इलेक्शन लड़ रही हैं, तो how do you feel about that?
I have no feelings about it.
Like, do you think it's a contest? Do you think I mean,
Not
I've been
at all.
seeing your campaigns
This
and
is all a conspiracy against Sharad Pawar. Because one of the leaders of the BJP came to Baramati, his name is Chandrakant Patil, and he said that we want to finish Sharad Pawar. These are his words, not mine, quote unquote. So the whole conspiracy of this whole thing is about hurting and finishing Sharad Pawar. That's the only motive behind all this.
Recently, in a very moving speech of yours, you also got slightly emotional where speaking of your dad and particularly about BJP, like Narendra Modi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi calling him Bhatakti Atma.
Really, I haven't got emotional about it at all.
But to bring that up again, like your reaction to that statement or him attacking Sharad Pawar.
I'm used to it because every time, I mean, all the big leaders of the ruling party, whenever they come to Maharashtra or anything relevant in the country, they always criticize Sharad Pawar, and I have a theory in my mind that you always chuck stones at a fruit-giving tree, like a mango tree. So, well, if whenever you criticize Sharad Pawar for the last 6 decades, it makes a headline.
About something I noticed, like this constant chants of Ram Krishna Hari. How is that different from Jai Shri Ram?
Oh, Ramakrishna Hari is a very common thing in our area. It's a traditional thing. It's tradition.
Of course. And how
Because
do you-
this is from the Varkari Sampradaya. It's very different. All the sons
Yeah.
which modern India, in especially Maharashtra, Ramakrishna Hari is a something very close to our hearts, which is about our Pandurang, which is about our sons, which is about this. It's the soul of Maharashtra.
And how does it fare against Jai Shri Ram, which is also...
I won't be able to tell because this is the tradition I grew up with. I can't differentiate. I won't even know. I'm not the domain expert, so I can't tell you what the difference is. This is something I grew up with because I grew up with Vittal at my center of my soul, and I follow all the Sant Parampara of Maharashtra. So that's my tradition.
Recently, during one of your sabhas only, there was a lady who said that I have a tap, but there's never been water flowing from that tap. So how, as an MP who wants to come back, who's fighting to come back, will fix the problem of water scarcity, which Maharashtra, a lot of like rural parts of Maharashtra have faced?
Oh, this year the entire state is under pressure. Pune city also doesn't have water. So water is a huge problem which has happened because of the bad management of the present government because they haven't planned the drought properly. We had a very bad rain, a very weak rain last year. So I am actually been following up with the government since December to resolve this and find a solution, and they haven't done it.
How is 2024 different from 2014? The difference you see in whether it's the BJP's campaign or the Prime Minister's speeches?
Well, they don't talk about price rise, they don't talk about unemployment, they don't talk about corruption, and they don't talk about Arakshan. In 2014, in Maharashtra, they only promised Dhangar Arakshan, which they've not said a word in this entire campaign.
Why do you think the BJP has to resort to the same Hindu-Muslim rhetoric or Pakistan or Ghuspaiti? Like, why the use of that language?
Because they've not been able to deliver anything in the last decade. To all the tall promises, it's been one jumla after the other. So, delivered nothing.
Is the Baramati contest going to have any effect on the Parivar, on the family, the clan, the Pawar clan?
What has the family got to do with this election? Because Sunetra Pawar was never active in politics, and the two children. So 3 of them have actually no role in this. They've been completely away from all this. So the real issue is, if at all, is the decision taken by Ajit Pawar, which has nothing to do with his wife and his children. And the rest of the family stands together.
What is the margin going to be like this time around?
Well, that I will tell you on the 7th, subject to the amount of the percentage of votes.
But I've been hearing 3 lakhs. What was that?
My number is 3.
Yeah.
So obviously the supporters get excited. So my number is 3. So they said 3 lakh se jitenge.
Got it. About the India Alliance, ma'am, the Mahavikas Aghadi.
Keep going, once you take a
Okay.
picture.
So about the alliance, Mahavikas Aghadi, the India Alliance this time, how is it different from 2014?
It's the same alliance. There's no difference in the alliance. As a matter of fact, it's larger because Arvind Kejriwal has joined us. So it's become stronger and better.
And this question that keeps coming up, if like a lot of Modi supporters, Prime Minister Narendra Modi supporters, they say, if not Modi, who? Like, who else is the alternative?
Now
Who
the
else
question is, if you remember the India Shining campaign, there was nobody against such a tall leader who we also love dearly, is Atalji. And you see, Manmohan Singh ji is one of the finest Prime Minister India has had. So there's no dearth of talent in this country.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Not at all,
Thank you.
my pleasure.
Thanks a lot.